Hello, friends. I've worked in technology for more than 3 decades. I've watched the digital revolution unfold. Networks, software, the internet, smartphones, cloud computing, and now AI. Technology has shaped much of my professional life. But the most important thing about me is not that I'm a techie. The most important thing is that I believe in Jesus Christ. Through joy, suffering, loss, illness, and life's storms, my faith has carried me. So let me clearly say something at the beginning of this series. I am not anti-AI, and I do not worship technology either. AI is an amazing tool. I use it myself. In many ways, AI can help humanity. Learning, creativity, medicine, communication, education, and even spreading hope. But every powerful tool also raises deeper questions about truth, humanity, wisdom, identity, and the soul. We are entering a new age, and technology is advancing faster than human wisdom. That concerns me, because intelligence alone does not guarantee goodness. Power alone does not produce peace. Humanity has always needed something greater: truth, love, grace, mercy, and spiritual wisdom. That is why I'm creating this series, Faith in the Age of AI. Not to attack technology, not to create fear, but to explore important questions together. What makes us human? Can machines replace the soul? What happens to truth in an AI world? How do we remain spiritually awake in a digital age? And perhaps most importantly, how can we use technology to glorify God and share the love of Jesus Christ? I believe technology can become a tool for ministry, a tool for teaching, a tool for encouragement, a tool for spreading the gospel across the world. AI may help us create faster, but only God can transform hearts. Technology may amplify our voice, but only the Holy Spirit can give life to the message. The deeper we go into artificial intelligence, the more humble we should become. Because every discovery reminds us how extraordinary the Creator truly is. Behind every law of mathematics, every pattern in creation, every spark of intelligence, there is still one greater. God remains sovereign. I do not claim to have all the answers. I'm simply a believer, a retired technologist, a creator, and a fellow traveler, trying to faithfully navigate this new world with wisdom and grace. So I invite you to join me on this journey. Let's think deeply. Let's stay humble. Let's remain spiritually awake. And above all, let's keep our eyes on Christ in the age of AI. Because technology changes rapidly. But the love, truth, and mercy of God remain eternal. Faith in the age of AI. Technology changes. God remains eternal.